In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to linearize data in Google Sheets on desktop. If you're working with data that doesn't quite follow a straight line pattern, transforming it can help straighten things out, making analysis much simpler and often more insightful. Let's dive right into the process, starting with opening your Google Sheet containing the dataset you're planning to linearize. The first step is to determine the type of transformation your data will need. This largely depends on the pattern your data exhibits. Common transformations include the logarithmic transformation, the square root transformation, or even taking the reciprocal of your data values. Understanding the mathematical relationship within your data is crucial because it guides you in choosing the right transformation method. For example, if your data grows exponentially, a logarithmic transformation might be the best fit. Once you've identified the right transformation to apply, the next step is to apply it. To do so, first choose an empty column in your sheet. This is where we'll perform the transformation. In the first cell of this column, you'll enter a formula that applies your chosen transformation to the first value you wish to transform. Let's consider the natural log transformation for this example. You would enter a formula such as x ln a2 if the initial data is in the A column and A2 is your starting cell. This formula calculates the natural log of the value in cell A2. After entering the formula, press Enter. You'll notice that the transformed value appears in the cell. To extend this transformation to the entire dataset, click on the cell with the formula you just entered. You'll see a small square at the bottom right corner of the cell, known as the fill handle. Click and drag the fill handle down to apply the transformation across all your data points. This easy drag and drop action ensures that every value in your dataset undergoes the same transformation, maintaining consistency. With your data now transformed, the real fun can begin. You can use this newly transformed data to create a scatter plot in Google Sheets. Alternatively, you might choose to perform linear regression if your analysis requires it. These visual and statistical tools can help clarify underlying trends and relationships within your data, now that it follows a linear pattern. Before you wrap up, don't forget to label the new column containing your transformed data clearly. Good labeling practices enhance clarity, not just for you, but also for anyone else who might be interpreting your spreadsheet later on. Descriptive labels prevent confusion and make the data much more user-friendly. And that's how you linearize data in Google Sheets on desktop. We've taken a complex data set and applied a few strategic transformations to better analyze it. By following these straightforward steps, you're well on your way to making more data-driven decisions with confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy data diving.